Hello, welcome to Extra Soul Stories channel. Let's listen to these magical fairy tales and enjoy.
In the heart of the shimmering vale of Luminara, where the sun kissed the dew-laden grass and the air hummed with the songs of unseen creatures, lived a unicorn named Elowen. Her coat sparkled like fresh snow under the moonlight, and her horn glimmered with a spectrum of colors that shifted with her emotions. Elowen was the guardian of the vale, imbued with the magic of hope and dreams. One fateful day, a dark cloud loomed over the vale, casting shadows that chilled the hearts of its inhabitants. A sorceress named Morwenna, consumed by jealousy and ambition, sought to capture Elowen's magic for herself. She summoned a tempest that twisted the trees and silenced the songs of the vale. Elowen, sensing the disturbance, galloped to the edge of her domain. There she encountered a young girl named Mira, whose spirit shone brightly against the encroaching darkness. Mira had wandered into the vale, drawn by the tales of a unicorn's magic. She was brave and kind, with a heart that resonated with the very essence of the vale. "Please, help us," Mira pleaded, her voice steady despite the chaos. "We cannot let Morwenna take your magic." Elowen, sensing Mira's purity, lowered her head. With a flick of her tail, Elowen summoned the ancient spirits of the vale. They whispered secrets of the earth, of roots and stones. And together, Elowen and Mira devised a plan. As Morwenna approached intent on claiming Elowen's magic, the duo lured her into a hidden glade, where the light danced and the air shimmered with enchantment. "Your greed blinds you, Morwenna," Elowen called out. The sorceress sneered, raising her hands to unleash a torrent of dark magic. But Mira stepped forward, her heart pounding. "You may take the magic of the vale, but you cannot take its spirit," she declared. In that moment, the bond between Elowen and Mira ignited a brilliant light, enveloping the glade. The darkness recoiled, and the spirits of the valley surged forth, uniting to confront Morwenna. Overwhelmed by the purity of their combined strength, the sorceress was cast away, her ambition shattered. As the storm dissipated, the veil flourished anew, brighter than before. Elowen nuzzled Mira, who had proven that true magic lay not in power, but in friendship and courage. Together, they vowed to protect the veil, ensuring that its light would never fade again. And so, in the heart of Luminara, a new legend was born, one of hope, bravery, and the unbreakable bond between a unicorn and a girl.
In the shimmering depths of the Coral Kingdom, where vibrant hues danced in the sunlight filtering through the waves, lived a mermaid named Abiha. With flowing hair the color of seaweed and eyes like the clearest turquoise, she was known for her adventurous spirit and curious heart. Unlike her fellow merfolk, who were content to sing and weave intricate coral jewelry, Abiha longed to explore the world above the sea, drawn by tales of the land whispered by passing sailors. One fateful day, Abiha discovered a peculiar object washed ashore, a beautifully crafted conch shell glinting in the sun. When she pressed it to her ear, she heard not the ocean's song, but a haunting melody that spoke of a hidden treasure on a distant island, said to grant the heart's deepest wish. Her heart raced with excitement, and she decided to embark on a quest to find this treasure, believing it could help her understand the mysteries of both land and sea. As she swam through the azure waters, Abiha encountered a wise old turtle named Taro, who had seen many wonders in his long life. Taro warned her of the dangers that lay ahead, telling tales of treacherous currents and cunning sea witches. But Abiha, fueled by her determination, convinced Taro to guide her on her journey. Together they navigated through kelp forests and coral reefs, facing challenges that tested their courage. They outsmarted a mischievous octopus who tried to ensnare them in his ink, and they befriended a school of fish that helped them find the way when they lost their bearings. With each adventure, Abiha grew stronger and more resilient, her heart swelling with hope. Finally, after days of travel, they reached the island, a lush paradise adorned with colorful flowers and towering palm trees. At the center stood a magnificent waterfall, shimmering like diamonds. Abiha approached, her heart pounding. As she reached the water's edge, she saw her reflection and realized that the true treasure was not a wish granted, but the journey itself filled with friendship, bravery, and self-discovery. With a grateful heart, Abiha returned to the Coral Kingdom, forever changed. She shared her tales of adventure, inspiring others to embrace their dreams. From that day forward, she became a storyteller, blending the magic of the sea with the wonders of the land, reminding all who listened that the greatest treasures are often found within.
In the heart of the ancient desert, a gentle Jinn named Kufnak resides in a hidden oasis, known for granting wishes that promote love and healing. One evening, a brave young girl named Layla, with wild curls and bright eyes, stumbles upon the oasis while searching for her lost brother, Amir. As she kneels by the crystal-clear waters, tears glistening on her cheeks, Kufnak appears in a swirl of shimmering mist. His soothing voice resonates as he asks, "Why do you weep, dear child?" Layla explains her fears about Amir, who has wandered into the vast desert. Moved by her courage and tenderness, Kufnak assures her he will help. He instructs her to close her eyes and think of Amir. Summoning the winds, Kufnak reveals a vision. Amir, lost but safe, playing with friendly desert foxes. "He is safe," Kufnak assures her, "but he needs your love to guide him home." To assist Layla further, Kufnak gifts her a small glowing pebble, saying, "This will light your path when darkness falls." With renewed determination, Layla sets off into the night, the pebble illuminating her journey. At dawn, she finds Amir asleep under a palm, the foxes watching over him. They embrace, their bond unbreakable. Back in the village, Layla shares Kufnak's kindness, spreading tales of the gentle Jinn who embodies true magic through love and care. Kufnak continues to watch over them, a guardian of dreams.